guys, this is Bake and Cook with 3. Today we're gonna prepare some Chinese New Year Tiger Yellow Rice Platter. 100 gram brown rice, 300 ml water, 2 pandan leaf, 400 ml coconut milk, and 1 bumbu munik. Pour in the coconut milk, followed by the water, and then the pandan leaves. Now add the bumbu munik and then stir to mix all. Cook it in the rice cooker. When it's ready, stir to mix and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, prepare all your side dishes. Scoop the yellow rice to a small bowl. Flip it over on the serving plate and start to decorate the tiger face using shredded carrots. Now add some shredded cabbage for the nose and use some seaweed for the eyes and stripes. Now it's time to add the side dishes around it. Ta-da! Your Chinese New Year yellow rice platter is ready.